Hello, it's How To Not To, and today I will be reviewing and demonstrating the Kindle e-reader, which is a 6-inch glare-free touchscreen display with Wi-Fi. It comes in black and has a black protective case that also came with it. It's very light, it only weighs 161 grams and the size is 160 millimeters by 115 millimeters by 9.1 millimeters. It has up to 4 gigabytes of storage, which means it can hold up to 1,000 books. So let's turn it on, and as you can see, it's just uploading, which shouldn't take too long. The battery will last up to 4 weeks on a single charge. That's based on half an hour of reading per day. Yeah, the battery does last quite a long time. However, it will fully charge in approximately 4 hours from a computer via the USB cable. You also get this USB charging cable. Right, I'm just going to connect to the Wi-Fi. It's telling me to log into my Amazon account, where you will be able to download ebooks from the Amazon store. So I've logged into my Amazon account. It's asking me for my phone number. So I'm just going to complete my personal details and location, etc., and I'll be right back. So here it says Kindle Unlimited, but I don't really mind, as some ebooks come with Prime, which I'm a member of. So I'm going to click no thanks to that. And I'm going to set the parental controls. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that as it is and click next. Goodreads is a free service. Okay, I'm going to tap to turn on. So I'm going to cancel that and I'm going to skip it. So it's now showing me how to use my Kindle, quick actions, recent books, reading lists, recommendations. So I'm going to click on the store button, and here is the Kindle store. This is where you can get all the books. It's a bit slow, but so here you can search for books, and to change your passcode you can go into settings and hit all the setting device options, and then device passcode. I'm going to set it as 1234 as an example for you to see. So here you have the options to turn it off or change the passcode. I'm going to press power button to enter the passcode, and then you're in. So I'm now going to click on a random book. So what you can do is borrow a book or buy it. And if you accidentally bought it, you can hit cancel order, and then it will bring up a box saying refund will be applied, and you just hit close, and right here it will say you have successfully cancelled this order, and then you can continue to shop. So I'm now going to go back into the same book, and I'm going to hit borrow this time. So borrow for free, and this will allow you to borrow it for a month or so. So click download now, go back to home, my library, here it is. So now I'm going to borrow this book. So here is the book. Something I like here, as you can see at the bottom of the page, it displays how long is left in the chapter, and on the right it will tell you how much you've completed. And if you tap or swipe to the right, it takes you to the next page, and if you tap and swipe to the left, it will take you to the previous page. It will also show you the time left in the book. It has a voice view, and you can adjust the font size and space margins. So here we have the contents, and if I tap 3, it will take me to chapter 3. Here it says which page I'm on, and you can tap it. So if you tap on the top, then you hit go. You can go to a different page in the book. So let's say I press the beginning, it will take me back to the first page, and then I can go to the contents. So let's say if I tap on 3, or 2. It will take me to chapter 2. Another good thing about this Kindle is it's anti-glare, so if you are in direct sunlight, you will still be able to read the text on the Kindle. So it's now in direct sunlight, and there you can see the page perfectly fine. I would recommend this to anyone who loves reading. It's small, lightweight, and you can carry it anywhere, so it's ideal for travelling. The resolution is only 167 ppi. If you want a more sharper, crisper display, then I would recommend upgrading to a Kindle with a 300 ppi. Also, the home screen has a recommended books section, so if you are reading a certain type of book, I will recommend it to you. You can also get books from different authors, and it will recommend a book from the author. So overall, it's a pretty decent Kindle for the price of approximately £50, I think I bought it for. It does everything really you want. There's got quite a large selection of books to choose from, so that's an advantage, where you don't have to go out to the library or search for them in the shops. You've got everything at the tip of your fingers really. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.